Welcome to Sophia's Kitchen and welcome to this very short Thermomix tips and hacks course. In this very short course, over 10 videos, I'm going to give you some incredible tips and hacks that you need for your Thermomix. I've been using my Thermomix for a little over 10 years and I've accumulated my fair share of tips and tricks. So whether you are a beginner or whether you're someone who has been using their Thermomix for quite a while, this course is designed just to give you something new, something juicy, something that you can get inspired with again. And I'm going to be focusing on a few different things. I'm going to be teaching you some great secret functions for your Thermomix, some that you probably would have not seen before, or maybe you've never actually thought of going through. I'm also going to go through some tips on how to look after your scales, some cleaning tips and hacks, and actually how can you clean your Thermomix really well after you've used it. We're going to go through how you look after your grid, how you look after the arms of your Thermomix, and all of the little hacks that you may have not thought about cleaning your Thermomix with. And I'm going to talk you through some of my favorite hacks for each of those Thermomix gadgets that you get. So I'm going to get you through your varoma, your simmering basket, your butterfly, your spatula, and all of those amazing gadgets that come with your Thermomix and more. And we're going to also go through a wonderful guide on how you can convert your traditional recipes to Thermomix. If you're a little bit like me and you really like your cookbooks and your favorite chefs and you're thinking, how can I convert that recipe in my favorite book to one in my Thermomix? I'm going to give you some basics. I'm going to give you some great guides on how you can create certain speed settings and what you need to do with certain temperatures to just convert those recipes that you love and cherish the most to your Thermomix. We're also going to go through some incredible hacks on baking bread and baking cakes. And I hope you are ready to learn some incredible content, some wonderful tips and tricks and hacks. And let's get started.